Cowpokes. The door handle, and now my window too. Oh. Well, howdy, Cowpokes. Today I want you to see some of the things we do on the farm that aren't too much fun. One of Gramps and Farmer Mark's least favorite things about farming are machinery breakdowns. There are just so many different parts on all the farm machinery. So I think today, Gramps wants old Slick Nick to help fix some machinery. Of course, he knows I'm pretty handy with the tools because I have to do a lot of work on my truck. You know, like fixing that door handle.
Well, Cowpokes, out here on the County Line Ranch, we run a lot of equipment and we have some breakdowns. And today we got a hydraulic line that's broke. Slick Nick,
Yeah.
is this one of the farm jobs that you might be able to do, fix the hydraulic line on the tractor?
Oh, a hydraulic line on the tractor? Of course, I got that, no problem. I'll get busy on it right now, Cowpokes. Hydraulic line, right? Yeah, which one is it?
Slick Nick, the hydraulic line is out here in front of the cab, not in the cab.
Oh, yeah, I knew that, All right. Let me see. Oh, yep, right here, okay, all right. All right, got the old one off, Gramps. Yeah, I think we got it. You want me to just tighten her back up?
Yeah, tighten her back up. Get her ready to go. What's going on over there? Oh no.
I think I got the hose fixed, but got a little messy in the process, but it's done, it's all done.
What are these, Slick Nick? And what are all these bolts and nuts on the... What's all this stuff laying here?
I guess, are those just extra parts? Do we really need those?
Yes, we do.
Well, Cowpokes, as you can see, sometimes when we're working on our farm machinery, things can get pretty messy. So today, for our Cowpokes competition, you might see Slick Nick and my face is getting a little bit messy because we're going to have a race to see who can eat more of our chocolate-covered donuts in 1 minute. But they're gonna be attached to these strings and we can't use our hands. Here we go.
We're about to do a Cowpokes competition. Whoever wins gets the Cowpokes trophy. Ready, set, go!
My jar.
15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, this Cowpokes competition is over, and Hank says, who is the winner? Slick Nick is the winner of this Cowpokes competition.
Yeah! Woo, 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 woo.
Why should you never rob a bank with a pig?
Tell us, Uncle Sammy, please, please, please.
Never rob a bank with a pig because he'll always squeal on you.
I donut know about you guys, but I had a great day today on the County Line Ranch. Thanks so much for helping Slick Nick get the job done. Speaking of Slick Nick, where is he in his tractor?
Well, Cowpokes, here I am again without a tractor. I guess it's broke down, must be in the shop. But Cowpokes, thanks for joining us again out here on the County Line Ranch. Don't forget, we need you to give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button to our channel. Be sure to share this on your social media pages, and we'd love it if you'd leave us a comment about what you want to see next. Be sure to hit that alert button so you can see when we release our next video. Be sure to join us next time out here on the County Line Ranch. Hey, Farmer Mark, is my tractor fixed yet?
I saw it. Maybe you should turn around and look.
Ah! Cowpokes, make sure you like that video and hit that subscribe button.